Why is self-assembly vital for nanotechnology? Imagine tiny building blocks that can organize themselves into complex shapes without anyone telling them what to do. Sounds like magic, right? But it's actually science at work. Self-assembly is a process where molecules or nanoparticles naturally come together to form larger, useful structures. This process is super important for nanotechnology because working at the nanoscale makes traditional manufacturing methods nearly impossible. Think about trying to build something with 100,000 tiny pieces. It's just not practical. Self-assembly offers a way to create these tiny structures efficiently and at a much lower cost. At the nanoscale, which is measured in billionths of a meter, forces between atoms and molecules drive self-assembly. These include hydrogen bonds, van der Waals forces, and hydrophobic effects. Individually, these forces are weak, but when many molecules interact, they can create stable, organized structures. It's like a bunch of tiny magnets that find their perfect match and stick together in neat patterns. This natural tendency to organize is what makes self-assembly so useful. The process is spontaneous, meaning scientists don't have to manually put each piece in place. Instead, they design the building blocks, like special molecules or nanoparticles, so that when mixed, they automatically find their correct positions. This is called a bottom-up approach, which contrasts with top-down methods like carving or etching materials. Self-assembly allows scientists to create complex nanostructures quickly and with less effort. This process is behind many exciting nanotech applications. For example, scientists use self-assembled monolayers to create ultra-thin films used in electronics and sensors. Lipid bilayers, which from cell membranes, inspire new ways to deliver medicines directly to specific cells. DNA strands can fold into precise shapes through a process called DNA origami, which is used to build tiny robots or containers for targeted drug delivery. Nanoparticle superlattices are another fascinating result of self-assembly. These are large, ordered arrays of nanoparticles that can have special optical, electronic, or magnetic properties. By changing the surface chemistry of these particles, scientists can program them to form specific patterns, leading to new materials for solar energy, sensors, and even quantum computers. Self-assembly is also a natural process in biology. Viruses and cellular structures form through self-assembly, and scientists mimic these natural processes to create synthetic nanostructures. These can carry medicines to targeted areas or act as scaffolds in tissue engineering. In experimental science, self-assembly often produces surprising results. Sometimes, structures form in unexpected ways, opening new doors for research and innovation. This unpredictability makes self-assembly a favorite tool for scientists exploring future technologies. It's a simple, efficient way to build complex nanoscale structures by letting nature do the work. It's like giving nature a set of instructions and watching the magic happen.